we're going to try and clean up these couple old wrenches. Can't make out the sizes. There's some letters here, but can't solve that one. There's a raised M and maybe a 12 there, but can't see anything else. So I'm going to use my angle grinder. I got a couple different sizes of fiber discs, so we'll start off with this one, the one with the raised letters. Let's see if there's anything on here. So on that part, it's just there's some pitting, but there's no lettering. So nothing there either. Okay, you make that out better. Now it's M17, M with a circle and then a 17. Nothing there. Again, nothing. No markings on this side. So that's all we got is the M17. Alright, let's try this one. We know there's words there, so we'll start there. Alright, so it's like a 0 with maybe a decimal point. 6165 and then DB20. Not sure what that means. Go for the ends. Nothing on that one. Nothing there. Nothing on that side. Nothing there. No markings on that side. So that's pretty much it. So these are neat looking, but I have to measure to find out what size they are. So they're neat. So this is what we ended up with for markings. So neat to look at, but not sure. Thank you.